How does SiteLock website security work? Website security is a sound investment that protects your website along with your peace of mind. While there are many security options available, SiteLock is one of the most reliable of them. Here's how SiteLock website security not only protects your website but also does it with minimum human intervention. It performs regular scans. Preventive security is better than reactive security as it prevents malware from wreaking havoc. SiteLock performs regular security scans to find vulnerabilities and will alert you if it finds any. It blocks harmful traffic. Incoming traffic from a suspicious or an infected source has a high chance of carrying malware. SiteLock's True Shield firewall monitors the incoming traffic and blocks data from blacklisted IP addresses. It removes malware automatically. You can set up SiteLock to carry out daily or periodic scans to detect malware. When it encounters a threat, SiteLock alerts you and automatically removes the malware from your site. It patches vulnerabilities. A vulnerability is a weakness in the code that could allow a hacker to gain unauthorized access. SiteLock detects and patches any such vulnerabilities that it finds before they're exploited. It protects against DDoS attacks. A DDoS attack is among the worst cyberattacks that crash your website with a barrage of requests. SiteLock protects web apps, infrastructure and DNS to fortify your site against a DDoS attack. Reseller Club offers a comprehensive suite of SiteLock security as affordable annual plans. Protect your website from hackers and malware, improve SEO and turbocharge its performance.